Welcome to the Ballistic Pendulum Experiment. In this simulation, we'll cover the following. Differentiate between various types of collisions. Study the principles of momentum and energy conservation, and calculate the initial velocity of the projectile ball at 3 different ranges or levels. Let's get started. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see the experiment settings interface. From here, you can add the ball to the shooter by clicking the Add Ball button. Remove the ball from the shooter using the Reset button. View the mass of both the ball and the pendulum bob in grams. See the length of the pendulum in centimeters and track the angle of deflection. The experiment settings interface can be easily collapsed or expanded, giving you flexibility in managing the controls and viewing the experiment details. Above the settings panel, you'll find essential controls. The Record button allows you to save your data, which you can review by clicking the Results button. The setup for the ballistic pendulum experiment includes the ballistic pendulum apparatus, a ball, and a ruler. Steps to perform the experiment. Step 1. Measure the length of the pendulum by clicking the ruler. The length will be automatically recorded in the experiment settings interface. Step 2. In the settings panel, click the Add Ball button to load the ball into the shooter. Step 3. Pull the shooter back to your desired range, for example, short range or first level, and hold it in place. Step 4. Click the shooter to fire the ball. As a result of the collision, the pendulum will swing and the deflection angle θ1 will appear in the settings panel. Click the Record button to save this value. Step 5. Repeat steps 2 to 4 2 more times for the same range to obtain deflection angles θ2 and θ3. This will give you 3 deflection angles for that range. You have recorded 3 trails for the first level. Step 6. Now repeat steps 2 to 5 to measure the deflection angles, θ1, θ2, and θ3 for the medium range, second level. You have recorded 3 trails for the second level. Step 7. Again, repeat steps 2 to 5 to obtain the deflection angles, θ1, θ2, and θ3 for the long range, third level. You have recorded 3 trails for the third level. Once the experiment is complete, an Excel sheet containing your recorded data will automatically download. With this data, you can analyze the results and study the underlying physics of the experiment.